Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing Clincitop gel. So this is a review on Clincitop, which is used to cure mild pimples and acne. I have used this gel and I will share my review. I will also tell you the direction to use it for the best results and also the side effect of this gel. Normally, people with oily skin are more prone to acne or pimples as oil secretion is more active. It creates blockage in the pores and thus acne occurs. We need some medicine to cure the acne because it is also caused because of some bacteria. We need to slow down the growth of the acne causing bacteria, and then only the pimple will get reduced. So this is how it works. Clindamycin is a group of antibiotics which works in slowing down the growth of acne causing bacteria, thus it drives out the acne. This is also available in the tablet form, but before you have the tablet, please consult a dermat. This will not work on highly cystic acne which comes like a big bump on face, but it works on mild acne which is little reddish and tiny in size. There are lot of variants available for clindamycin phosphate like Acne Star, Erytop, Clindac A, etc. I have also used Erytop, which was prescribed by skin specialist for me when I had lot of acne. It was few years before. Here I am showing you Clindamycin gel, which is an ointment available in medical shops. This is a prescription drug, but you can also get this without prescription from your nearest store. It comes in 20-gram tube with the price of 54 rupees. The color of the ointment is pinkish. Since it is in a gel form, people with oily skin can use it very well, because if it's like a heavy cream, it will not work on oily skin. So mostly gel based creams, ointments are always best for oily skin people. You need to wash your face with face wash or soap, whichever you are using, and apply this. Some people will have lot of pimples and they apply all over the affected area. I recommend to use this as a spot treatment because that is how I used and I got the results. Also, I use this only at night time. After washing my face, I pad right and then I take a tiny drop on my finger and apply on the pimple. I will cover the pimple with the gel. While applying, be careful not to get into your mouth or eye. If it occurs, wash eyes quickly. There are some side effects for any kind of ointments. This has a tendency to dry out the area which it is applied. So if you feel any kind of irritation, redness or excessive dryness, you need to stop using it and consult a doctor. I have another tip too which I used. If you feel excessive dryness on the skin, then please try using coconut oil on that area. This will help with the dryness and irritation. So I hope this video helped you. Also, I recommend you to try this if you have lot of pimples on your face, but this will not work for bigger cystic acne. So if you have that, you need to consult a dermat quickly. So thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel.